Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to One Trade Per Day. So let's try to analyze the trades which we have taken for the breakouts stocks for today. The first stock was in our watch list was Petronet LG. So Petronet LG gave a good breakout. Let's open the chart. The day chart, basically you can identify how beautifully the stock got broke. So it gave a good percentage of at least 1% for today. And if I will switch to 1 minute candle, you can see this chart is a pure breakout. In the morning itself, the candle started breaking out. So it was an easy quick trade today for 0.5, 0.3, 0.4. So I've exited at 0.4. The next stock was IOC. So this was a stock which we have discussed yesterday. IOL, Indian Oil Corporation. So this did not break out well today. As you see the day candle, we were expecting a good breakout, but still the stock is trying to come back. There is a slight pullback of the stock. Let's hope that it'll give a good breakout for tomorrow. 155.75 is a breakout range, and let's hope this stock tries to get this started. So I've already alerted this, so let's try to keep this as a watch list. And as soon as it comes to 155, let's try to take a limit order and try to buy the stock at 155.75. The next stock which I've traded is Indraprastha Medical. So this, I would say, was a good breakout. It gave a very good breakout today. So as you see, the stock was going in a one side move. The breakout, once it crosses 524.35, so it was completely rallying today. So let's hope tomorrow, yeah, there is also another breakout. Let's suppose this is the line which it's trying to, okay, it's already in the upper circuit, so maybe it will open tomorrow morning, and maybe, yeah, the stock can again take a backup. But yes, talking about this 1 minute candle for today, so as you see, it was a very good breakout, and of course I made some profit after this breakout, 2000 rupees. Next one was SBI card. So this was indeed a completely patient oriented stock. So though it has tried to test twice, so I was lucky enough to enter it at 907. So in the morning, when the breakout, let's open the chart for a day candle. Let's try to analyze why the breakout pattern was created for this. So as you see guys, there is a breakout, it's a clear breakout pattern. But as you see, sometimes the breakout will not happen, and it is all about the stock market, the luck, and how this can help you give the trade for you. So as I was saying, I was lucky enough to enter this stock at 907, and which gave a good breakout for 0.63%. So this got breakout again at 9:38 a.m. in the morning, but it was a false breakout. So I was patiently waiting, and then yes, then the second enter was a okay, in the morning also it has touched the 907 906 point this thing, but yeah, two times it has tested, and the third time it took the rally for 0.63%. So this was about SBI card. The next one was Indraprastha gas. So this was again a tricky move, so I made some losses because of the false I would say the false breakout of this stock. So let's open the day chart and try to analyze this stock for this day chart. If you see, this is again trying to break out, but it was not breaking properly, and due to this I have incurred some losses. So as you see, I have to include and cut short my losses to 0.5%, and this was the overall profit and gain of the stocks which I was put in my watch list. So let's try to assume, let's try to analyze the stocks for tomorrow under the watch list which I've kept. So again, I've kept Indraprastha gas for tomorrow as well. So as you see, I have kept this stock. Why? Because today there was a loss, and then again it is trying to break out. Let's hope that the stock again give a good breakout once it crosses 222.20. The next one was Century Play Board. So again, this is also trying to break out, and if you try to analyze this day candle, and there is a good up move once it crosses at 825. 825. Why? Because as you see guys, this stock, okay, so I have put an alert at 819. So once it crosses yeah, once it crosses 825, so we should see a good up move based on the chart which we have. And then internal corporation, again I've kept this in my watch list for tomorrow. Let's hope that this stock again gives a good breakout for tomorrow, because it has again tried to test in this range of 155.75. so let's hope that it breaks out for tomorrow, and then at least we should see some 0.5 to 1% of profit. Next one is the Karur Vaishya Bank. So Karur Vaishya Bank is also trying to break out, and it clearly shows a signal in the day candle. It is trying to break out guys, so let's hope that this also tries to break out for tomorrow, and we shall have a breakout rally for Karur Vaishya. I hope you like the video. If you have liked the video guys, so please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.